most important and sensitive burning issue of the illegal drug trafficking and drug abuse, in particular to the Telugu-speaking states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, madam. I wish to bring to the notice of this House that the series of incidents in Hyderabad, huge drug racket has been busted and almost 20 people were arrested, madam, in which there are almost 5 to 6 people who are foreigners also, madam. Accordingly, there are around 12 Tollywood celebrities and personalities have been summoned by the SIT, madam, and the students, these drug rackets are actually targeting the students and the youth of the state, madam, and almost like so many people have been involved in this. The media is doing lot of speculation in this matter, madam. As per the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, madam, Union government is empowered to actually inquire into this case. Hence, through you, madam, I would request the Union government to kindly intervene in this situation, take over this case and entrust this matter to the NCB for the further investigation, madam. Thank you so much, madam.
Renuka Butta, you can associate with
I'd like to bring it to the notice of the August House about the disturbing involvement of children in the drug abuse and at murky net in Hyderabad. More than 200 children are reported to have procured LSD blots apart from the involvement of high-profile individuals. This is only a tip of iceberg. This may have surfaced in Hyderabad, but maybe widespread across the country, especially in major cities. This is a problem concerning the health of India and its culture. The problem is more serious because the children who are the future and hope of this country and the youth are being dragged into this murky trade. The situation is so grave that the children who are able to place order online and get the stuff of their choice. I appreciate the Telangana government for the prompt action and the investigation. This is further reported that Visakhapatnam has become the trade center for supply of cannabis, locally known as ganjai, from where it is supplied across the country. It is necessary to find out whether what has been unearthed has terrorist and international ramifications. Just 1 minute. I need to combat this. We need to combat this menace by developing necessary specialized agencies for prevention of the drug culture and cure of those affected.